Mr. Nick here is relaxing in this, as you can see. Let's get an up-close shot here.
Yeah, baby. Oh, an apple.
Now you're in a real big doozy there. See this? Right there. How'd that go through the trees? Should I run after you get out of that?
I don't know. I'll let me want your ball. Oh, no, you don't. Oh.